beach, and I was inspired to post a reminder to not underestimate the positive impact on getting out into the sun, into the wind, close to water, trees, fluffy animals. Yeah, don't underestimate the power of being outside and of getting grounded, sitting in the ground, letting your body discharge some of the extra energy it's been holding on to. Yeah, let yourself soak up the sunshine. And when you're out there, just really notice, what's it like to feel your skin warmed by the sun? What's it like to feel your cheeks kissed by the wind? What's it like right here in this moment to have nothing else exist but this? Find somewhere beautiful, quiet if possible, and just let yourself have the experience of sitting in the sun and just being grateful for everything being present and grounded has to offer.